airdrop projects that are not too late for you to start right now. So basically in this video, I'm going to explain to you 3 airdrop projects that you can start right now. They are not too late for you to start. So basically, if you're new to this particular channel, my name is Slicktrue, and I want you to use this opportunity to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop more exclusive videos on this particular channel. Like I said, I'm going to show you 3 projects that you can run right now. They are not too late for you to start. So I'm going to explain to you in a very simple language that you are going to understand. So now let's head into the course of this video. But before that, I need to explain something to you first. This is not a Telegram airdrop. Yes, it is not Telegram airdrop. It is not Telegram project. These are projects on website. They have their own dedicated website. Everything you need to do is on the website. And this kind of projects are always split into 2 parts. The first part are airdrop projects that need extensions. So this particular airdrop project, you are going to need to download either of these 2 browsers on your mobile phone, the Kiwi browser or the Mrs. browser, because those 2 browsers will allow you to install extensions. Chrome browser will not allow you to install extension on your mobile phone, but Kiwi browser and Mrs. browser will allow you to install extensions so you can run that particular airdrop project effectively. And now, if you are using computer, you don't need to download those browsers. Your Chrome browser will install those extensions for you. So that is why it is okay to run your airdrop project, especially this type of project, on your computer. Mobile phone will stress you. It's possible, but mobile phone will stress you. So now the other part is there are airdrop projects that do not need extension. All you need to do is activate those node every 24 hours on the website. So those kind of projects, you don't need the Mrs. browser or the Kiwi browser. You don't need them. All you need to do is use your normal browser and connect to your wallet, because they need wallet connection for them to start the node every 24 hours. And for easy access, I'll prefer you to run those node on the dApp of your wallet, especially the MetaMask. There is a browser of MetaMask. You can run directly in the browser of MetaMask, so you can easily connect your wallet. I'm going to show you everything in this particular video. So the first one is, let's switch over to my computer right now. So this is the first airdrop project I want to show you. So the name of this airdrop project is called MyGate Network. MyGate Network. This particular airdrop needs an extension for it to work. It needs an extension for it to work. So the link to join this particular airdrop is in the description and the comment section of this particular video. So make sure you check it right there. Description or the comment section of this particular video. So the first thing you are going to do is come over to this particular website. So once you are on the website, this is MyGate Network. All you need to do is just click on join right here. The link to this particular airdrop project is in the description of this particular video, so check it out. So now click on join. Once you click on join, it's going to take you to where you are going to join right here. So basically, I'm going to log in with my Gmail account, which I have. So right now I'm going to log in with my Gmail account right here, and let me just wait for it to get done. So once you are logged in like this, so you need to download the extension of this particular project. So all here, once you come to the website, you are going to see the link I just showed you is on the website right there, so you can sign up directly. And also, this is the link to download the extension. So everything you need to get to this particular website is in the description of this video. And once you start it, you will start accumulating points for season 0, just like this. This is the first phase of the airdrop. And also, you can share your referral link for you to accumulate more points. So that is it. So once you join this particular project, for you to get updated or for you to receive updates about the progress of this particular airdrop, you know this project is not in Telegram. So Telegram is not going to send you notification of what is actually going on. So all you need to do is just join their Twitter page, and that is where you are going to see the latest information of this airdrop. And now you can follow them on Telegram also to receive information right here. But not all projects will be available on Telegram, because they do not have their projects on Telegram. So not all projects will be available on Telegram. So right here, you need to follow them on Twitter and on Telegram right here, so you can receive updates. What next? You know, when the update comes out, before I release it on YouTube, you should be able to see it directly for yourself. So, and not every update I'm going to give directly up here. So now let's go ahead to the second project right here. So the second project right here is called LayereEdge. A lot of you might have heard this particular project before, or you might actually be doing it. So let me show you the interface of this particular project right here. So this is it, and all you need to do is start the node every 24 hours. You don't need to download the extension for you to run this particular project. All you need to do is just come over to the website and start the node. And for you to start the node, you are going to need to connect to your MetaMask wallet before you can start. So basically, you need to have MetaMask wallet on your mobile phone before you can connect it. And if you want to start this project on your mobile phone, it's a little bit complicated to do on mobile phone, but let me just show you how it can be done on mobile phone. So right now I'm going to switch over to my mobile phone right now so you can see what I'm trying to say. So once you copy the link from this particular website, visit the official how to participate in LayereEdge airdrop. So this particular website is going to show you everything you need to participate in the airdrop, every details you need. So now visit the official LayereEdge website, and the second thing is connect your EVM compatible wallets such as MetaMask. So right now what I believe, or what I do, is I just copy the link to the official website like this, copy the link, and then I'll come over to my MetaMask directly. So if I come over to my MetaMask directly, just like here, and I'm going to just come to the browser section right here. You can basically see the browser section right here. This is the browser section, and once you click on it, just press on plus and put in the website link right here. Once you put in the website link right here, click on go, and once you click on go, you're going to have it just like this. Connect wallet and select MetaMask right here. So it's going to say connect your MetaMask, then click on connect right here and confirm. So once you do that, just wait for it, and now you can basically just run it on your MetaMask directly, just like this. So all you need to do is just start it every 24 hours instead of running it directly on your Chrome browser and connecting, or probably your Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser. So this would be okay for you to do on your mobile phone. Just use the dApp on your wallet, I mean. So that is it, and you can read more about this particular airdrop on this particular website. So the link is in the description of this particular video. So now let's go over to the third airdrop, I mean. So this is the Taker airdrop, which is also similar to the LayereEdge airdrop. All you need to do is activate the node every 24 hours. So this node is going to expire or shut down in the next 17 hours. All I need to do is just activate it after it has shut down. So every 24 hours you need to just activate it, and also there are a lot of tasks right here that you can do. So for you to start the airdrop, the link is in the description of this video. All you need to do is just come over to the link right here. It's going to show you how to participate in the Taker protocol airdrop. So visit the Taker protocol portal, connect your EVM, just similar to LayereEdge. So you can use it the same way I did it on the mobile phone, just like that. And if you have a computer, you are stress-free. You just need to just do it directly on your browser. Just install your wallet on your browser and you are okay with that. So that is it, guys. So that is the 3 airdrop that you can start now. They are not too late for you to start. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any other question, you can put it in the comment section. I'm going to take my time to reply all. So thank you, and I will say bye for now.